Hello everyone and welcome to our latest major product release, Businessmap 13. Now, as with every other major update of Businessmap, this one has its own name, and we've decided to call it The Workflow is Not Linear. Now, you might be thinking, why this name? Well, ever since the beginning of Businessmap, we've always aimed to provide you with the most flexible boards to manage work processes. And yet, after talking to thousands of customers all over the world, one thing became very clear.
Workflows are unique. They can branch out, they can move in different directions, and they can span across multiple teams or value streams.
In other words, workflows are not linear. But of course, that begs the question, how do you manage workflows that are not linear? Well, Businessmap 13 answers that with two major updates. First, flexible workflows within a single team, and second, connected workflows across multiple teams and value streams. So without further ado, let's get started with the first one. In Businessmap 13, we've upgraded our Canvas-Boards where you can now emulate the experience of your workflow boards. That means you can define steps like planned, in progress, done, and choose between activity or a queue, just like you would normally do on a board, but now without being restricted by a fixed structure. In every workflow step, you can clearly visualize the work you need to execute, all while retaining flexibility to add as many work items as you need in a single column. As you're now building your workflow on a canvas, you can structure your work process exactly the way you see fit. But you might be thinking, what about governance? Well, don't worry, because you can now visualize departure and arrival rules on the canvas, essentially mapping out a flexible structure where work is managed directly on the canvas board. So far so good, but for complex organizations, that's far from enough. That's why our second major update is a big one. We're introducing applications inside Businessmap. This is not just a new feature, but it's a strategic shift from a robust software platform to a robust solutions platform that helps you manage work the way you want. And the first one of these applications is the Value Stream Manager. So let's see it in action.
With the Value Stream Manager in Businessmap 13, you can plan and map any value stream across your organization.
You can get started with our pre-built templates for your industry from our templates library.
You can visualize an existing value stream from your current board,
or simply tell AI what you'd like to map out. For example, let's visualize an oil pipeline development project across Europe and Asia.
Once your value stream is generated, you can rearrange the steps the way you see fit. You can create notes to visualize any important information. And you can even use AI to help you manage the value stream. Now, building a new oil pipeline is no small feat, so let's see if we can map some more steps that reflect the nature of our work. AI will do its thinking, and you can then simply make the changes to your value stream. And while that's one part of the picture, you can also make these steps actionable by mapping them to your existing boards. The system will signal that you've applied the step to the board and give you the details that you need. Now, as we mentioned, this is a complex project, so it's very possible this value stream has sub-value streams. For example, our financing secure step would probably have its own separate value stream. So you can simply grab it and assign it as a sub-value stream to your structure. Keep in mind that each value stream has a board view, showing you exactly how your value stream looks like in a workflow mode. And that's not all, because your value streams have their own analytics. You can see a complete map of cycle times or block times, and even click through a specific step to inspect your metrics in greater detail. Finally, this is a defining release in the history of Businessmap because it evolves the platform into something bigger. Your AI native, customizable solutions partner without excessive add-ons and costs. And that's just the beginning, because in the next several months we're gonna be releasing a lot more updates
all focused on helping you manage work the way you want. So for now, check out the release notes, play around with the new updates, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.